Getting familiar with the controls couldn't be easier. There are only two: a throttle control and a steering wheel. So it's very simple. The throttle control is logical. Push it forwards to go forwards and backwards for reverse. When it's upright, the engine is in neutral. On some boats, the controls may be duplicated so that the boat can be driven from different positions. You have to make sure that you have selected the position you want. Before setting off, it's a good idea to run the engine for a while to warm it up. So it's best to increase the revs while the engine is in neutral. To do this, some boats have a pull button, but on this boat it's a pull handle. On some boats, revving the engine a little in this way is required to start the battery charging system. Instruments should be checked to ensure that the boat has plenty of fuel on board and that everything is functioning correctly. In the very rare event that warning lights do come on, you should cut the engine and contact the base immediately to call for help. To prevent overheating, the boat's engine is cooled by water drawn from the waterway. Ensuring that this is functioning correctly is simply a case of checking that the water is flowing freely from the exhaust outlet. Before setting off, make sure everything is properly secured, particularly mooring warps, as they can get sucked around the propeller. It's best to stow away any loose items on deck, as they may get swept off by overhanging branches. Damage to bikes is one of the most common problems, so it's worth being especially vigilant where they are concerned. When not in use, they should be secured by the cycle locks provided.